caught a fish.
You suck.
Picking up my tip up because it wasn't strong enough to flip a flag. A little female. That's hilarious. Oh, that's hilarious. I'm like, gosh, it's a really lively minnow. That must be a fish.
Wow.
Do you think it pays to try to save this minnow?
Maybe.
Okay.
Might need it someday. Wow.
I think it will die, but I'll try.
Wow.
Still swimming.
Stranger things have happened. I've seen people catch legal walleyes doing that.
Oh yeah, I've seen that too. So I was a little bit afraid of this on this day. I hadn't been fishing in like 10 days. I really wanted to get out. Leg was feeling a little bit better, so trying to go fishing today, but it is a cold front and a massive high pressure system. So first spot we fished, we had tip ups out and jig fished for about probably an hour and a half. Caught one 4-inch perch on a tip up by accident. That was it. So time to drill a few more holes and head towards the landing. No! Big school of fish, if there's any size. I make it down in time. That's a nice fish. Not a bad gill. Bluegill. Now, do you want the bad news?
Good news. The bad news is you can't mark anymore.
I really need you to drill about 50 holes out here.
Oh.
So I lost one in the hole behind the sled. That was pretty nice. Hook got caught on the edge of the ice. Bluegill got off. Well, that's a big bluegill. There was two. There was a blip. I was gonna leave. There was kind of a blip off to the side. I went down there. A different one came in. And that was a big bluegill. This hole behind me had a school of fish, like 20, 30 fish. Missed one. Bluegill came up. 8-inch bluegill caught it. And then, by the time I got put the depth finder even back in the water, gone. But that was a school, not a random fish that you're searching for. You should be able to find a fucking school of fish. Now this hole here, I didn't mark a damn thing.
Alright.
So, I mean, there's a chance to scrape a meal of fish out. It's getting late, but they're around. I would literally drill a whole battery full of holes is what I would honestly do. Come on.
No, there was nothing there, and I just thought, I'm just going to jig for a minute. I don't want to come up off the bottom right away.
There's a school here now. Was just coming in. Well, whatever they are. There's 2 or 3 more on my screen. Not huge, but pretty close to 8 inches. I mean, it's not like they're not edible.
Still down there?
I don't know.
Well, I got one, two, right off the bottom.
This was low. Yeah, these are.
Yeah, these are like 5 feet off the bottom.
Yeah.
There's 2 down there.
Yep. If I can get there in time.
I know, this jig is so light.
You're leaving. They just left.
Mine are still green and yellow once in a while.
Oh, they're above me.
Oh, they're gone.
Come on. See me.
Mine are gone.
See me.
Oh, one's coming right
See
up.
me. One just buzzed through from top to low and never saw me. You got one on it?
No. Oh, you got them all over on there. You got a whole school of them down there.
They just came in. There was only a couple. Started out as 1 or 2.
Nice. Got quite the rod bend there.
It's probably 8 inches like the other one.
Oh, well, that's a nice bluegill.
All right.
Oh, Christ. I was going to say, you have
probably-
a pretty good
I
pole there.
This one I'd probably throw back, but I really would like a meal, so
Well, you better keep them.
for now, but it's a pretty big bluegill to be keeping.
First year I came out here by myself and fished it all winter. I was keeping lots of them.
Gone again, Patrick. Gone again. Oh, there's stuff at.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Oh well, I learned a little bit. Come on. They're coming, Pat. They're coming over here.
Going nuts just off the bottom.
There's a whole school here right now, Pat. I knew this one was smaller. That's like a 7-incher.
I got no fish. You got fish on your screen yet?
Don't know. Yep. Oh, they're leaving. Yep, they're still here. They're leaving. Nice one, huh?
Well, but you haven't caught one. Any one is a nice one.
Well,
7.5.
7.5 inches.
Good eater.
Still edible.
Good eater. I did not get skunked today.
You were not skunked.
They do bite this.
Oh.
They gone?
No.
Know if I'm fishing in the aftermath or if I should go to the other side of you.
There's a couple here yet. Oh, you're digging now, aren't you? A little bit. No, you're not. Hmm. 7 3/4. Nada. Oh, fishing on a small lake, trying for bluegills, perch, bass. Perch and bass were no good. Bluegills, found a few suspended bluegills that were nice. Scraped out a meal. Now we can't find nothing. We were fishing suspended fish, so. Got a meal of bluegills, and I think I'm about to head out and limp out of here, as I'm really not into walking right now, because my knee sucks. So, that's about it.